Stop buying tools that create clutter without fixing much. The Anvil set covers core home repairs. Choose WorkPro when flexible storage matters more. Choose by repair range, durability, and storage. For most homes, get the Anvil Homeowner's tool set. It handles picture hanging, furniture assembly, small fixes, and occasional plumbing hardware adjustments without much pointless filler. The gripping tools are useful, and the compact hard case stays tidy nearby. But this is an entry-level kit for lighter jobs. Its smaller hammer also trades driving power for space savings. Skip it if repairs are frequent, professional durability matters, or you already own the essentials. For a compact backup, choose the WorkPro 100-piece kitchen drawer toolkit. Its slim zippered case secures the pieces and fits storage spots where a rigid case can be awkward. It's a sensible starter set for routine apartment or house tasks. The trade-off is narrower hardware coverage. There are no wide jaw pliers, and the hex keys are metric only. Its 10FOOT tape is also shorter than Anvil's 12FOOT tape. Skip it for frequent nut and bolt work or larger measuring jobs. Quick split. Choose Anvil for the broadest everyday setup with useful gripping tools. Choose WorkPro when a slim soft case matters more than hardware range or measuring reach. Before buying, check your storage shape, the tools you already own, and whether your usual jobs involve heavy driving, larger measurements, or frequent hardware adjustments. Start with the Anvil set if you want the easiest all-around answer. Switch to WorkPro when squeezing a soft case into tight storage outweighs broader hardware capability. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.